A fierce blizzard sweeps through the city heights. Cold flakes brush my cheeks. On this winter night I thought I'd forgotten, thought it was all gone. But the wind brings back shadows I've lived with so long. Frozen memories rise sharp and cold in the wild. That winter beach where we stood to say goodbye. The storm was raging just like this in the sky. Sudden words of parting, a tidal wave so high. The tears in my eyes were hidden by the gale. The silent weeping behind a snowy veil. I'll do better, I was wrong, I tried to cry, but the blizzard choked the words, a frozen lie. The truths I couldn't tell, the love I couldn't show, swallowed deep inside where only cold winds blow. You turned away so coldly, leaving me behind in a world of white where I was lost and I wonder where you are, watching this white fall. Does the wind that drowned my voice reach you at all? Is it touching you softly like a feather's grace? While I stood there frozen, staring at your space, the unspoken words became icicles in my chest, a heavy silence that would never let me